Hey guys, it's Jolene here with the Home Stitchery Decor YouTube channel. Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, I'm Jolene. I'm from Calgary, Alberta, Canada, and I sell modern farmhouse, home decor, and I teach all kinds of businessy things right here on my YouTube channel. In today's video, I want to teach you how to make a desk mat using AI generated art. And putting your art onto print-on-demand products that you don't produce. So let's get started with the video. All of the links that you will need for this project will be in the video description and linked into the first comment. And the first place I always start my business, no matter where I'm placing my products long-term, is on my Shopify store. And you can get Shopify for $1 for your first month, is how they've got it priced right now. So I am an affiliate for Shopify as well. And the reason I like to put all of my products onto my Shopify store first instead of Etsy, for instance, is because Etsy has a history of shutting people down. And therefore, if you've done all your work on Etsy and you don't have a backup like having your products on Shopify, then you've lost all of your work. Whereas if you put all your work on your Shopify store and use an app to link everything to your Etsy store, should the poop hit the fan at Etsy where you get canceled, or you get suspended, or you get shut down, like just entirely, you'll always have your Shopify store to back up. So if you want to play with the big boys, get your Shopify started. Okay, so we're going to put our product essentially at the end of this onto our Shopify store. That's cool. And then we're going to need two other products to get this done. And the one is called Patterned.ai. And one is called Printify. So first of all, we're going to go to Patterned.ai. We're going to look at the pricing. Again, the link will be in the video description. I would recommend, if you're going to do this for a business, to start with a $30 a month plan. And you could roll this pretty quickly if you put your head down and just started looking for products that you could sell and started making your own patterns. So the standard plan is 2,000 credits a month. It's royalty free. Text to image, image to image. You can download in high resolution. You can download SVG. The only thing with this one is the patterns aren't private. So generated patterns are displayed in a public gallery and you can cancel anytime. If you want to upgrade to the pro plan, then your patterns could be private unless you determined that you didn't want that pattern to necessarily be private. So this is an affordable way to start a business. So now we've got Shopify. I believe in Canada it's like $40 a month to start up with. And you've got where you can generate your own patterns, as many as 2,000 credits buys, right, for $30 a month, which I believe this is actually American pricing. So that would be a little bit more in Canadian dollars. So essentially for $100 a month, you can start your own print-on-demand business here with Shopify and this Pattern.ai. So what we're going to do here is we're going to generate a pattern. And I know what you're thinking, well, how do you know what pattern to generate? Well, earlier today, somebody came into my house and they bought a green jelly roll rug. I'm stuck for words today. I think because I'm stressed. We're leaving for a little vacation here pretty quick. So I'm just trying to get all my work done and I should slow down. Okay, so somebody came in earlier today and they bought a rug for their floor, one of these rugs that I make. And they wanted a product that would go with the rug. And they were thinking of what they could do because it was going to go in their office. And I suggested a desk mat. The rug that they bought was a green sage rug. So I thought, oh my goodness, I could make them a green floral desk mat. And we'll just see if they like it once it's done. So I'm going to go, first of all, to Etsy, and I just typed in at the top green floral desk mat, and lo and behold, when you scroll down here, you will see a couple of desk mats that are best sellers. So now I'm thinking, why couldn't I just kind of recreate this product, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to come start up with Pattern.ai. When we've come to the what do they call this here, like the dashboard, where you can actually put your prompt in for it. I'm just going to type a prompt and see what comes up. So we're going to type in, I need to delete this prompt here. Hang on a second. Okay, sage green, because that's the color of that mat. Vintage floral cottage core seamless print with vines and white berries and small white flowers. Okay, so we're going to come down here and we're going to hit generate, and we're going to see what Pattern.ai comes up with. Just give it a second here. It doesn't take very long, that's for sure. Okay, this is pretty good. I actually like the one on, which one do I like better? I'm not sure if I like the yellow because my rug didn't have any yellow in it. I'm going to try this one here. So I'm going to click on this image and I'm going to put it through a seamless checker. I might not be able to do that yet. Hang on a second. Can I go back? Yeah, I can go back. So I haven't paid for the plan yet because I'm going to take a holiday and I don't want to get this all rolling until I've done that. So I'm just going to download this for free. And then I'm going to hit the seamless checker. And it's saying to upload the file. So I'm going to upload the file here that I just downloaded. Okay, so here it's appearing now. And this actually looks really good. As I'm making it bigger, you can see that there are no lines in this. So now I'm going to make this as large as possible for the next step. And I'm going to download it. And then I'm going to, okay, so now I'm in Printify. And if you've not started up your Printify account yet, essentially you just need to sign up for an account. It's free to sign up. And add in all of your business information, link your Printify store to your Shopify store, and then start designing products by clicking on the catalog. So here's the catalog here, and I know that I want to do a desk mat, and I know just from experience that it's in accessories under mouse pads. So I'm going to click on mouse pads, and I'm going to scroll down until I find the one I want. This one here from Spoke has 3 sizes, so I'm going to click on it. And I'm going to hit start designing. Now I'm going to upload on the left hand side here up at the top. I'm going to upload an image from my device, and it's going to be the last image that I downloaded from Patterned.ai. So now it's going to add the pattern to my library, and we can see here that we've got medium resolution at 160 dpi. This is where you might have to pay for the larger plan at Pattern.ai. But as you can see, here is my vintage floral onto the product. I always make sure that my product covers entirely the gray section. So if you see here, if I made it smaller, this is the gray section. I want to make sure that my pattern covers that entirely. And I'm going to select all 3 of the variants because why not? And then I'm going to preview the product. So you can see here now that this is the actual finished product. And this is literally this easy to do. I'm not even kidding you. You might want to have your DPI at a minimum resolution of 300 DPI. But if I can do this, you can too. And we can repeat this here. Let's just do another one where we have a red floral desk mat. And we're back on Etsy, right? So we've got a red floral desk mat, and what we're looking for right now is something that's got a bestseller badge on it, and then we're going to try to recreate it with Patterned.ai. So are they going to give me a bestseller? They might not. I'm not seeing something here. Let's go up to the top. Okay, we've got most loved. This cottage core floral moody. That might be fun. And okay, let's try to recreate this. So we're going to come back to Pattern.ai and we're going to generate pattern. And we're going to just try a new prompt here. And we're going to have it in a red, cream, and white moody floral repeat pattern. Let's see if we can grab something else in here. With, let's say, with vibrant green leaves. And what else did they have? White daisies. Where did we go here? And we got to make sure we're on the right screen. I was on the other screen for the green floral one there for a second. White daisies. Did I spell leaves wrong? Vibrant green leaves. Okay, let's scroll down here and we're just going to see what it comes up with. The possibilities are endless. If you haven't embraced AI for your business, you're going to be too late. So this isn't quite what I was going for. But you know what? It's not that bad. So let's do it again. And we're going to do red and green vintage floral elegant vintage elegant floral repeat pattern with dark green leaves and vines and white daisies. Okay, come down here. We're just going to hit generate pattern and see what it comes up with this time. I'm actually excited for this one. I think it's going to nail it. Oh, that's much better. That's much better. Okay. Not exactly the exact same as this other lady's desk mat. I mean, this is spectacular. But you could play with the Patterned.ai until you've got that same kind of look. Like, this is a much more elegant pattern than the one that we did before. So what we can do is click on the one that we want, and we're going to do the same process again. We're going to do the seamless checker. And of course I did it wrong. I got to download it first, right? Okay, so download it first. And then we're going to upload it here in this new screen. And I'm going to make it super big because when you take it over to Printify, it always seems to do like some more scaling. Okay, so now we've got our desk mat here. We're just going to make a new one. I could save this product. Do I want to save this product right now, or still want to work on it? Well, I could save it. That'll be fine. Okay, so we're going to come back to the catalog. I'm going to save this as draft first. I'm going to come back to the catalog. We're going to go to mouse pads. We're going to scroll down to the same one we were using before. And we're going to start designing it. And we're going to upload the image from my device. It's the last thing I downloaded. Bring it up. Let it load onto the computer. And we'll be able to quickly see the pattern as well. Okay. There we go. There's the pattern. Okay, so that is loading it onto the Shopify store, which I highly recommend. And then I use an app called Shuttle to carry my products over to Etsy. You're going to use Patterned.ai to make the pattern, and you're going to use Printify, and it will all be linked in the video description. So if I can do this, you guys can do this. You can start a business, start today making your own patterns, learn how to do listings properly, and start your own business just lickety split. That's it for today's video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye now.